Hey guys, welcome to our newest listing here in Santa Monica on the water, another one. This is almost 4,000 square feet. This is one of the largest townhouses that exist in all of Santa Monica. The prior owner did a 3-year renovation on this place. You can see these beautiful floors, all imported from Denmark, but sort of the centerpiece of this whole place is this imported Boffy kitchen from Italy. I would not doubt if this kitchen cost $250,000, potentially even more. You can see just some of the unique features of it. Opens and closes, so if you don't want to have all the bar stools here. It's kind of the centerpiece of this whole living area here, which everything flows together perfectly and then looks out at these endless views of the entire Pacific coastline up to Point Dume, Malibu. But let me show you some of these features and special things about this kitchen because you would have no idea what's behind this whole panel of walls here. But this opens up, it goes in. This one goes in also. You have a hidden sort of pantry inside here. So everything's hidden, you don't have to see all these things on your countertops. They don't build kitchens like this. I mean, the Americans don't build kitchens like this. Only in Italy will they have like cutting boards like built into the actual thing. All these little hidden compartments here. So you don't have to see your sponges built into here, which is nice. It's just very seamless and clean. It's good for somebody that has ADD like myself. Then another super cool feature, you have hidden behind here, you got the double melees here, all the stuff panels out again, and you have this killer little bar set up here, wine fridge. What I didn't mention before was this is the front corner unit. So this is the most desirable unit in the entire complex. This house actually has 2 master bedrooms. You have an upper master bedroom and a lower master bedroom. My clients did though recently actually just add this awesome elevator, so it's very handicap accessible. This is, from my understanding, from all the places I've ever sold in Santa Monica on the beach, which is a lot, I have never seen a 2-story unit ever that has an elevator inside of it. Okay, so step inside, let me show you the master bedroom. Again, this is one of 2 master bedrooms. You have an upper master and a lower master. This one has beautiful views. It opens up to a patio out there, so if you want some indoor-outdoor flow or you want to sleep with the windows open listening to the waves crash, you could do that right here and still be fully secure. Step inside, let me show you the primary bathroom here, one of 2 primaries as I mentioned. Walk-in shower, again, seamless, you don't see any of the drains. You got a beautiful skylight to just flood this thing with natural light inside here. Freestanding tub, top of the line fixtures. You got graph here, and again, all imported Boffy seamless countertops that are just, everything's integrated, super cool. Okay, let me show you guys one more room that we have upstairs here. They have it set up as a gym right now, but somebody could have this as a media room, an amazing office because I'm looking through this beautiful atrium right here that just floods the place with light. Okay, let me take you guys down, show you what we have downstairs. You got a 2-car direct entry garage right here. You have a very large bedroom down here, ensuite bathroom. Again, with the fixtures and the finishes here are off the freaking charts. You got the lights with the fogless mirrors. You got the teak shower with the full walls of stone. Again, I believe this is Boffy as well, which matches upstairs. It's unheard of to get this much space. Every bedroom has its own ensuite bathroom with insane finishes. Again, beautiful bedroom, tons of light, all automated shades, the whole place. This opens up to the patio out there. And then here you have another large walk-in closet. And again, absolutely stunning bathrooms with beautiful finishes. The lighted mirrors, freestanding tub, again, a beautiful shower with seamless, so you don't see any of the drains. And then here would be a secondary downstairs primary, front facing, water views, opens to the patio. You got amazing built-ins here, and then another just stunning bathroom is here as well. Thank you guys so much for joining us here at 10 Ocean Park #1. One of the best places I've ever stepped foot in without a question along the water here in Santa Monica. If you guys know anybody that's looking for the best of the best, make sure to hit us up.